Pumalag ang award-winning actor na si Mon Confiado sa isang content creator na kung saan gumawa ng mapanirang post tungkol sa kanya. Sa post ng content creator, sinabi nitong nakita daw niya ang aktor sa grocery na galit at hindi pa umano nagbayad ng bills na mga binili nito. Kaya naman agad na pumalag si Mon sa mapanirang post na ito at sinabi niyang hindi magandang biro ang post nito dahil sinisira ng content creator ang pangalan ng aktor. I saw critically acclaimed actor Mon Confiado at the grocery store in Marikina yesterday. I told him how cool it was to meet him in person. But I didn't want to be in a douche and bother him and ask him for photos or anything. He said, "Oh, like you're doing now?" I was taken aback and all I could say was, "Huh?" But he kept cutting me off and going, "Ha, ha, ha," and closing his hand shut in front of my face. I walked away and continued with my shopping. I heard him chuckle as I walked off. When I came to pay for my stop up front, I saw him trying to walk out the doors with like 15 Milky Ways in his hands without paying. The girl at the counter was very nice about it and professional and was like, "Sir, you need to pay for those first." At first, he kept pretending to be tired and not hear her, but eventually turned back around and brought them to the counter. When she took one of the bars and started scanning it multiple times, he stopped her and told her to scan them each individually to prevent any electrical interference, and then turn around and wink at me. I don't even think that's a word. After she scanned each bar and put them in a bag and started to say the price, he kept interrupting her by yawning really loudly. Ayon naman kay Mon, ayaw na daw sanang patulan pa ang post pero hindi naman na daw tama ang ginawa sa kanya dahil mapanira. Ayaw ko na sanang patulan itong certain Elaine na ito. Pero tama pa ba ang ginagawa ng mga content creator na ito? Gumawa ng story using my name and my photo. Na-meet daw niya ako sa grocery at magpapapicture daw siya pero dinuro-duro ko daw siya sa mukha at nakita niya na hindi ko binayaran ang 15 Milky Way choco bars na kinuha ko. At pinagsisigawan ko daw ang cashier ng grocery. Pinapalabas pa nito na magnanakaw ako. Nung sineta ko, joke daw ito at ito ay copy pasta. At biglang nilagyan ng disclaimer ang post niya pero huli na. Pero hindi pa din inaalis ang post niya. Joke at my expense? Joke pero nakakasira ng tao? Bakit ka magjo-joke sa akin? Close ba tayo? Parang sobra itong mga ito Para makakuha lang ng mga likes kahit makasagasa sila ng tao. Tapos sasabihin joke? Ang daming nag-message sa akin at natanong kung totoo ba ito. Of course, sabi ko hindi yan totoo. Never happened at hindi ako ganong tao at may pagkamayabang pa itong relayed na ito. Nung sinabi ko idedemanda ko siya dahil ayaw pa niya tanggalin ang post niya, threat daw ba ito? Grabe itong taong ito. Maging ang naging palitan ng mensahe ni Mon at ng creator ay nalabas din ng aktor. Una ay nanghingi pa ng paumanhin si Elaine at yun nga sinabi niyang joke nga lang daw ito. My apologies. It's not my intention to tarnish your image in any way. Like what they said in the comments, it's a joke. Although I do agree with you that not everyone will understand it. Narito naman ang sagot ni Mon Confiado. Joke? At my expense? Bakit mo ako sisiraan at idadamay sa joke mo? Bakit hindi mo i-joke ang pamilya mo? Bakit ako? Ano ang nakakatawa sa joke mo? Sinira mo ang name ko. Now, meron ka ng disclaimer. And look how bastos you are. Nakita mo na ang effect na ginawa mo at naka-offend ka ng tao pero hindi mo pa din inaalis ang post mo. Do you even realize what kind of person are you and what attitude you have? Then you will say it's a joke kahit makasira ka ng tao? Anyway, wait mo na lang legal actions. Madali ka lang i-trace. I mean it. And this is not a joke. Sumagot naman sa mensahe ni Mon ang creator at sinabing, Trace, is this a threat? Narito naman ang ilang komento ng mga netizen at mga kakilala ni Mon Confiado sa nasabi niyang post. Give him the right dose of his medicine. He needs to learn that making up stories to damage someone's reputation is unacceptable. It's not just about getting likes, it's about being responsible and respectful. People shouldn't have to deal with false accusation and character assassination for the sake of someone's misguided sense of humor. Hopefully, this serves as a wake-up call for him. Minsan ka lang magalit, paring Mon, at alam kong mahaba ang pasensya mo. Pero grabe itong libelous post at pwede mo siya demanda. Malayo sa pagkatao mo yung sinabi, kaya may karapatan ka to file a case. Sana lang malaman ang real identity ng taong ito. Sa mga may leads kung sino ang tao na ito pati ang address, please PM me. I think it's better you do not engage comments with a person anymore. If you're planning to sue him, just do it. The more you exchange conversation with him, he will just bait you to say something that will make you look bad. Ganyan na mga gawain nila. Teach him a lesson. Yes, damaging to a person's reputation ng post yan if I did not know you personally. One of the nicest people in this planet, as I repeatedly say, I would have probably believed it. There should be a proper sanction and accountability for people this. You should report it on Facebook. It's sad that some people will do anything just to be popular on social media at the expense of someone else. I read the contents. My question is, what's the motive of doing so? Shame on these people. I am sorry it happened to you. Hope things work out for the better. Napakalabo niyang kwento niya. Pagbasa ko pa lang, alam kong di mo gagawin yan dahil di ka ganyan. Napakabuti mong tao, Mon. Napakalaki nga ng iyong puso. At noon pa man, yan ang saludo ako sa iyo. Kasuhan mo yan, hindi ang isang ganyan ang sisira sa pangalan mo, kapatid. Turuan mo lang leksyon, walang magawa yang mga yan.